Yo, what's up, Freshie?
Wake up, boy.
This is your boy J Boog.
Hello, this is your brother Kiwini Vitai.
And your girl Majic turning up today on Fresh with the J Boog Coldest Song New Zealand tour.
Yeah, man, having them sweet island reggae vibes, kicking off your morning right.
Yeah, let's see what's going on next. Now you have to hee-haw 3 times. Hee-haw, hee-haw. Whoa, you make good donkey.
I've learned heaps about my culture. I was considered plastic.
Sau E Siva! Your bananas need to stand out from the others' bananas.
I'm so nervous right now. Honestly, when my family watches me cook, they're gonna be cracking up. They've never seen me cook anything.
Damn, can't wait to see me some of those Mr Lavalavas.
Magic, what are you talking about? We're right here, man. Come on.
Anyways, you're jamming with Island Reggae royalty, round and around. Go check them, go check them, go.
J Boog, yeah. Love how your loving surround me. I mean, I know what me would I do without it.
We're here at the Thirsty Well up in Auckland, Aotearoa. We're here to watch J Boog. We're here to support South Pacific music that has been happening worldwide.
For those of you who don't know me, my name is J Boog.
J Boog, my lover.
Coming along with TCB.
What's up, Freshies? This is TCB Rhythm Section, taking care of business.
What's up, Fresh?
Fresh, to make it sound sexy.
Ready? Boom, boom.
It's different every night. As far as us on stage, we just love performing and getting the feedback from the people. It's cool, man. They're loving it. They're loving it.
But it was that good for all of my senses. I tried prices so expenses. I like water to all of my chances. She has a deep some for every entry. We are done, you know I know. Fire up the great vibe to this girl. It's closer to me. All of it, she got me boogie. I feel the intelligence. Really put me sick.
Boog, he's been crossing over to the mainstream, and he got hundreds of Palangi fans now, you know, the people that actually buy the music. Versus the polys would be like, oh yeah, let me burn it for you, burn it for them, burn it for everybody.
I would like to bring up my little sister Majic in the building to sing a little something for y'all.
I don't really get nervous, so it's good, you know? It's a good feeling all the time.
Coming all the way down to New Zealand, and everybody's together in this hub, you know, and everybody's friendly, everybody's kind.
Everybody can sing out here. You gotta be on your toes when you're out here doing your show.
I don't only do my own set, I also sing backup vocals for Boog. Basically just opening up the crowd.
More of a lady than a fantasy, yeah. All that on that I believe.
It's a beautiful feeling just to have people respond the way they do to our music, you know. We just thank the fans, man, every day, day in, day out, for just supporting us through this mission.
Thanks so much for the video by time. We love you all, bless you all. And I love.
Is my husband cheating on me?
Will I marry my future wife in the next 2 years?
Will I win the lotto this weekend?
Hi, I'm Fortune Tala.
I want to get some clarity with where I'm heading with life, you know, and I'm hoping Auntie Tala can sort that out and let me know if this is the woman that I should be settling down with.
Oh, hi, Nate. Oh, I've been waiting to see you for a long time. Yeah, it's great to have you here. How did you find out about that I was the Fortune Teller?
I found you in the back of a newspaper.
Newspaper?
I was looking for a massage, but I saw your face.
Wow, Is that a good thing or bad thing?
I don't know, but I'm here now.
Oh, no, I'm talking about you looking for a massage. Anyways, okay, so why is it you come to see me? What do you want to know? What you need to know?
I need some advice.
Oh, about...
I got a baby on the way.
Okay.
Yeah, and I'm not sure if it's a boy or a girl, but I want to prepare now so I know what to get.
Oh, okay, what to get for...
The baby.
Oh, the baby. Okay, okay. So you wanting to know if it's a boy or girl?
Yeah.
Or if it's you?
Can we throw that in there? We'll throw that in there.
No, okay, if it's you.
Yeah. Or maybe not. I might cry.
Yeah, you told one.
Yeah, no.
Let's just call spirit. We have to hum together. Now you have to put your index finger like that and go hee-haw, hee-haw 3 times. Hee-haw. Yeah, 2 more.
Hee-haw. Hee-haw.
Whoa, that's a good donkey. You make a good donkey. Okay, now let me... Spirit is telling me it's in the cars. Are
you okay?
There's 3 cards. 3 cards that would determine the answers of what you were asking me. The first card is Kings and Swords.
Oh, right.
And what that means is that you are going to sort out what is it, if it's a boy or girl. Yeah. So when I tell you, the cards will tell you what it is, and then you are the king of sorting out what is going to happen.
Oh, okay.
That one there is the world. So your children's gonna be born in the world, and you will protect it and be the one that will sort out everything for your baby. But the sex of your baby, boy or girl, is in this card. There, see? It's gonna be a girl.
Oh, wow.
She's gonna be a queen.
Yeah.
And you are gonna like lift her up like a cups. That's why she's a queen in cups. Okay?
This is amazing.
It's amazing. Yeah. It's amazing. I can do this thing.
Yeah.
See? This is. But in terms of if you are the father of the baby, you really want to know that one?
What do you recommend? Do we go there?
Yeah, I can tell you without using the car.
Let's go there, let's go.
Okay. Yeah, the emperor. See, the emperor means it's your boss. So your boss, I'm sorry.
Oh, wow.
Your boss is the...
I don't know if I want to laugh or cry.
Well, it was great talking tonight from my FM. But the one thing you have to be prepared for when you come and see me is be ready for the truth. The cards never tell a lies. And I don't think Nate was happy with what he heard. It's a shame that his boss is a part of his baby. But if he was with me, it would never happen. Nate, I love you. Come see me.
Yeah, I love Matthew Tala, just not a tarot cards, yeah?
Don't go away, because after the break, we hit the Titas for the Sau E Siva showcase. Boom, bang. Yeah.
We took traditional Samoan dancing and just contemporized it up.
You're amazing. No, sis. You're amazing. Sis. Oh, we're amazing.
Up the place, turn up the bass and make them all have fun. How we ablaze the fire, make it fun them.
Freshies, welcome back, my dog. This is your boy J Boog in the building.
And your girl Magic.
Hello, this is your boy Kiwini. We got some super fresh pop dance moves for you guys.
Yeah, so what's your fresh uncle dance moves?
The chicken dance, Illuminati. The small sprinkler.
Well, you know what? We're gonna give it to the professionals to show you how it's done, all right? Boom, bang! Tune in.
Hi, camera.
Sau E Siva!
Sau E Siva!
Sau E Siva!
Tala Lavalava, my name is Troy Tuua, and we're at Reggae Arts Centre, and we're here for Sau E Siva 2014. Woo! What we did, we took traditional Samoan dancing and just contemporized it up with our flavor and with our era. Just over the past 3 weeks, we've been taking these non-Samoans and Samoan kids to learn Pacific dancing, especially Samoan dancing. Some of them just had a pinch of Samoan in them and just wanted to just to experience that side of their heritage.
Okay, here we go.
I've learned heaps about my culture through this. I mean, I was considered plastic, so it's great to know that I learned stuff about like whako baki, so that's like the Samoan slap dance. I hardly ever do any stuff that represents my culture. I mean, every time I dance, it's mainly like hip-hop stuff. And so tonight, it's pretty special because my parents and dad will be here. I'm trying to bring a smile to their face, just show them that I know that I'm not plastic.
It's quite different from Polyfest. There's no competitive vibe here, so it's great to just showcase culture and actually be proud of it without having to sacrifice cultural value for entertainment at Polyfest.
All the dances was amazing, the singing, the movement and the blend of contemporary and what looked like traditional movement was really cool just to see, and even using the flavour from New Zealand and their current environment mixed with their heritage.
My favourite dance was the salsa. I just love the rhythm to it and just the excitement that comes out of it.
My favourite would be the ma'uru.
Sau E Siva,
Just their joy and the beauty they carry. It takes a lot to get that grace as well as the elegance in the movement. So yeah, it was awesome.
The Beyonce one, that was my favorite one. Yeah, he was amazing because he comes to Oregon College.
You're my favorite.
No, you're amazing.
No, sis.
You're amazing.
No, sis. Oh, we're amazing.
The show was pretty cool. They said it was different to Polyfest, and it definitely was.
Important to know your Siva Samoa and to show our history and our older people. We know our own culture and we still live it till now.
There's only one reason why we do this, and it's the passion that drives us. It drives, it drives, it drives. Thanks to him, thanks to you, thanks to her, and definitely thanks to you.
Hey. Shout out to Sau E Siva for the amazingness, awesomeness, awareness. Stick around like glue, because you don't want to miss out.
Tune in after the break, all right? Don't go nowhere.
It really did come down to the centerpiece, which is the banana.
Unfortunately, it's not cooked.
You can't eat that.
Welcome back, Freshies.
Yeah, man, let's check out the latest on Mr Lavalava in New Zealand, all right?
Mr Lavalava.
Mr Lavalava.
We've been all over the Pacific searching for the ultimate island guy, our Mr Lavalava. We found our Cook Island and Samoa winners, and now we're in New Zealand. Choo-hoo!
We have selected 6 warriors to put to the test to see if they have what it takes to be Mr Lavalava.
Previously on the search for Mr Lavalava,
We want you to set up some shelter. There can only be one winner.
Carlos.
And going home today is...
Charlton.
So excited about the second challenge because we're hungry and we are indoors because it is raining, so you need to warm us up. How? By cooking some yummy green bananas. Yes, and your bananas need to stand out from the others' bananas. And you'll be judged on how well you present it. And of course, it needs to be edible. We need to be able to eat your bananas. Okay? Carlos, you have immunity. So it doesn't mean that you make a stink meal. You still have to feed us. All right. right.
That's right.
Are you ready? Yeah. Oh, good, because we're hungry. Smile. On your marks. Get steady and go. And they're turning their burners on.
I'm so nervous right now. I've never cooked before in my whole entire life. Honestly, when my family watches me cook, they're gonna be cracking up. They've never seen me cook anything, not even chop a banana. So here goes nothing. Like, that went wrong. Yeah, I should have listened to my parents.
You know, it's how you attack the food. And, you know, on first glance here, he's actually destroying.
My game plan, just don't overcook the banana. Keep it nice and soft and just right.
I regularly cook for my parents, so I think I have a lot of experience in cooking bananas, but we'll see where the challenge takes us today.
Key to cooking bananas, if you want it like fast, is just cut end bit on both sides and then chuck them into the pot and start boiling them. I'm gonna cook the banana in a way that they've never had it before. Stallion's right here. It's called corn stallion, right there.
Okay.
Corn stallion. Yeah.
So we're gonna have our green bananas with some stallion.
Yep.
Look to my left and I see Carlos and he's just chopping away. You can just see he's so confident of what he's gonna make.
Do you cook at home?
I do.
Do you?
Yeah.
Very good.
I'm a very good cook, actually.
What's your favorite dish to cook?
Chicken fettuccine.
Yum!
Chicken fettuccine,
okay,
Italian.
make that for us tonight. I am hungry. I sing when I'm getting hungry.
Time is running out.
5 minutes left, warriors.
I'm kinda nervous. I thought the banana was cooked, so I didn't even check them properly. So I just opened one bananas and I look at it, I thought it was cooked. So I drained all the water out, and then when I came back to peel the skin off, and it wasn't really cooked.
Last countdown, 10, 9. Let's go, Carlos, you can do it.
I was rushing here and there, and I'm really not thinking it's going to be too great for me.
I'm kind of nervous because I can see my bananas not cooked.
3, 2, 1.
Time's just run out, and I haven't really tasted my bananas, so I don't know if it's quite right. You know, a chef should always taste his meal before he dishes it out, and I didn't do that.
Are you excited?
I am so excited. I can't wait to eat.
Me neither.
Okay.
Bring it on. Bring on our first contestant.
Hi, Carlos.
Hello. Here's our dish for today.
What makes your dish special?
I put a bit of a spike to it.
You spiked our food?
Well, no.
No?
So with a bit of salt and lemon and...
you season?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
yeah. So
so you spiked.
A bit of a kick.
Oh.
Okay.
Thank you for your
Nice.
spike.
Thanks,
Hey,
Mike.
love say love a spike.
Just to see whether it's cooked through.
Voila.
Do you think it's overkill with the coconut cream?
The grapes, no. I like coconut cream, and it heated the bisupo, the corned beef, and I'm still eating. Yum.
Very good.
We got some stallion E4 dish right here, and here's my banana right here. As you can see, that's different to the other boys. They only have like coconut cream. I mix it up with a little bit of curry and sauce as well, which just tastes really good.
Right.
So there you go.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Let's give this one a shot. Looks very pretty, I have to say. Let's try the star of the dish, which is the banana, and let's give it a go. Unfortunately, it's not cooked.
You can't eat
Fully
that.
cooked banana.
Such a pity, really.
I know, I agree. This is the first time
This is the first time I've cooked, and I'm calling that four-side, strong side. In French, it's called bourgeonge. As you can see, heavy food there, something light. You have your dessert, and something sweet for you ladies.
Merci beaucoup, monsieur.
Zumje.
Zoom, zoom, zoom.
He's never cooked green bananas before. It's the most cooked one so far.
Hello,
Hi, Patrick.
This is your dish today. Kind of set it up like a flower. You have the core, and then it just branches out with the rest of the food. I put a little heart in the middle, just to show that there was love there.
I think this is very beautiful. Try the green bananas.
All right. What do you say?
Almost the same as the others.
Right.
It could be good if it was
Yeah.
1 more minute. So would you say it was edible?
Oh, definitely.
Okay, ladies, so what I've prepared for you guys today, I personally have called it Caesar's Pleaser, island style. I hope you guys enjoy.
Yeah.
Salad's good, bisupo's good, banana, 1 more minute.
Yeah, he went the extra mile and he actually cooked the bisupo.
Yes, and we like that.
And we like that.
What do you think about the portion? It's good for us.
It's an A+, huh?
A+ portion size. Okay, it's that time, guys, where we have to announce a winner and a loser.
So our top 2 winners of this challenge is Tawa and Carlos.
Please step forward. So it's just down to the taste, the combination of both. So the winner for this next challenge is...
Carlos.
Carlos. Well done. Second time lucky, dude.
Oh, I was really gobsmacked, actually. I really didn't think I had a chance there, but it turned out well.
In the bottom 2, it really did come down to the centerpiece, which is the banana. The bottom 2 of this contest is Patrick and Lewis. Step forward, please.
Yes, I didn't get caught out, and I was so happy, you know. I knew I made it to the next challenge. I'm ready to go. Let's move on.
Patrick, your presentation was absolutely beautiful. The flower, the thought that went through it, and even the love in the center, that was fantastic. However, the flavors weren't quite there.
Lewis, the banana was raw, and it wasn't cooked. There was still some crunch in there. There's only one that can remain and one that will have to go home today. And the warrior going home today is
Lewis. I'm so sorry.
Really disappointed that I didn't make it through to the next round. But I mean, that's not the end of the road. Got things to do. Gotta get back to class at uni. And Mr Lavalava competitions, you can't afford to have mistakes. Once you have 1 mistake, it costs you. So you have to bring your A game.
Boom, bang! That's what I'm talking about.
Those green bananas got me hungry, though.
You like green bananas?
It's almost lunchtime, but before that...
Let's check out who's on the next show next week.
Boom, bang! Boom!
Conrad Harrell, the Wrecking Ball.
I'm here in the New Zealand Warriors gym, just doing some workout. Even though I don't need it, I had to do it. I'm here by myself, lonely, lifting 500 kg here on the bar. You gotta get used to this camera.
It's been our utmost pleasure to be chilling with you guys on this Saturday morning.
So keep it fresh.
Blessed love and guidance and protection, yeah?
Swack it out.
Boom, bang!
We've called upon Mr Lavalava, winner 1965, the one, the only, Mr Robbie Mangasiva.
And to set the bar today, my sister Barnes and Robbie are going to show you a demonstration of how to woo a woman's heart.
The love is so strong, Penny, between you and me.
My father's stronger than love.